Well, evening. Williams, Philippines. It is Thursday, September 25th, 2025 at 9:02 p.m. or thereabouts, depending on which clock I'm using. Anyway, boy, long day. Got up this morning and went walking. Walked over all the way over to Park Mall and to a boardwalk. Posted a couple of videos from the boardwalk and of a carabao on the side of the road in the middle of Mandawi here in the city. Kind of reminded me of seeing cows, buffalo in the little areas around Amarillo, Texas. Cows and buffaloes there, and carabao here. I think it was a carabao. I'm not positive. I wasn't going to go double check. All I know is by the time I got here, back here, I had 8 miles already. And then I went out this afternoon, got rained on, and walked around the mall. I took a bus over there to the Park Mall because it was raining, but went and walked around the mall and got 4 more miles. Well, 3.5 more miles. Got back here and did a half mile inside the building here. Oh, very long day. I am very tired. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to try to do that again. 12 miles in one day. No. Oh, at least not anytime soon. All I know is my feet hurt all the way up to my knee. And then my knee starts hurting. Uh, yeah, had some cramps in my right leg. It is what it is. Probably shouldn't have ate and then tried to walk on them. You eat, all the blood goes to your gut, and then you don't have the blood moving around your body that you need where it needs to get stuff. You have problems. It's okay. Got a bit of rest in the afternoon. Quite honestly, I probably would have just slept through until now if they didn't have a weather alert go off a couple times over the day. Yeah, that thing went off about 2, I think. 1:32, something like that. All I know is it kick started me and I got up and started. But I did set a, I haven't done 12 miles walking. Good Lord. I don't remember last time. I know I was young when it happened. Uh, yeah, at least, well, no. I went to Yellowstone and I did a 13 plus there. So this is the first time I've done 12 in 20 years. God, it's been that long. But yes, back then I was in a lot better shape than I am now. And I can tell you, it has been an exhausting day. And like I said, my feet are hurting from the bottom of them to my kneecap. I, that's just the feet. Uh, let's see. Met a guy on the walkway who had 2 meter 70 centimeter handheld HF rig. Uh, you have to have a license for those things, or at least in the U.S. you do. I think you do here in the Philippines too. He's a ham radio operator, got a call sign, and is associated with the one here in Cebu area. So uh, I forget his name, but I got a couple pictures with him. Uh, a very interesting day. All I know is it's been a long one. It's been productive. Let's see. Yeah, having one of those. Part of me would like to get up and cook something. Part of me says I had a little snack and that's all I need. Go to sleep. We can eat in the morning. And that's kind of winning out right now. So I really don't feel like getting rained on. Because it was raining when I finished my walk. So, yay. Uh, if I was going to walk in the rain, I should have done it earlier when I was, yeah, already out and about on the way in. But I decided to just head over here and I did my last little half mile, like I said, around the building. And I barely got the, let's see, what is it? Barely got the, let's see, some days I don't like this thing. 25,000 paces. I got 12.11 miles and 8 flights of stairs. It's missing some, but that's okay. It has been a good day. Yeah, and it's pretty much over. Uh, I'm thinking about trying to put a movie on YouTube. I probably won't get to watch it because I'm gonna probably lay down and fall asleep while it's playing. Yeah, it sounds like a wonderful idea if you ask me. Use the noise from the movie to block out everything and just sleep. It is what it is. And guess what? I didn't even put my teeth in today. Got them in there in the cleaner. Uh, Pepsodent, Pyrodent, whatever that shit is. Oh, but this is my third shirt. I don't know about y'all, but I'm going to call it. It's been too long of a day and I'm wore out. I got a lot done. Checked to try to find a place that had a, what do you call it? The ink cartridge in the on the inside of a pen, and this is a pretty good pen, and it has a fairly good ink cartridge. The damn thing lasted me what 2 years. Uh, that was my main writing pen. It finally gave up the ghost. It's okay though, but it'd be nice to take and have it actually, you know, get another cartridge for it and be able to use it some more because it is a good pen. But I did check a couple places about getting that. no go. Got pointed in a couple other directions. Not today. Oh, and hit Burger King, place I used to work at one time, way back when they still had, oh yeah, 99-cent Whoppers. Yeah. Scary thing is what I ate today with the conversion rate. Let's see, 135. That's about $2.15, 30 cents, somewhere around there. Yeah. Oh, and the peso is weak against the dollar, and the dollar got up to 58.1 pesos to the dollar. Horrible for the Philippines, but I had a couple of transactions. Yeah, ain't bashful. I'll take my money when I can get it. If I can get it transfer it at a better rate, I'm gonna take the better rate. I hope it goes up and hits my other couple of waiters. Because if it does, that's really good for me, and I'll have to make sure I get more tomorrow. Dump what I can into it and be happy. Anyway, tired. So for y'all, left ear, right ear, hard head, God, you do you. Like, comment, subscribe. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and more food. And because I've only got a light snack, more food. Breakfast will be large tomorrow. Anyway, I'm Fish, and guess what? Fish is out.